Hello and welcome to this first lecture of this new section on CRM Process Automation in this course AI for CRM Excellence. So in this particular section we will give you some in-depth view of how to use AI for excellence in CRM Process Automation. And in this particular lecture we will talk about data entry automation. So there are three things we will talk about in this section. One is we have already mentioned to you data entry automation, where we will see how can you eliminate manual logging and ensure up-to-date records. Second, we will take a look at is the workflow orchestration, where you can trigger follow-ups, alerts, and tasks based on AI-defined rules. And third, we will take a look at document in email analysis, where you can automatically categorize, tag, and extract key information. Let's take a look at data entry automation first, as we had planned. So how do you think you can eliminate manual logging and ensure up-to-date records? That's a great question. Eliminating manual logging and ensuring up-to-date records is a game changer for sales, marketing, and support team. AI and automation can help by capturing, integrating, and updating records without relying on human inputs. And how can this happen? Let's take a look at in a lot more detail. So first thing that happens is, you get data capture integrated automatically, and that happens through CRM integration. And the modern CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho offer email and calendar sync, uh, right? And these automatically log emails, calls, meetings, and notes to contact records. Then there are call subscription, which use AI to subscribe calls, like tools like Gong, Chorus, or AutoROI and AutoLog key details. And AI can also do activity tracking, where it auto captures activities like the LinkedIn interactions or website visits. And the result of that is obviously no more manual copy paste meeting minutes, notes, or reminders. Second thing is done to capture data automatically in an integrated way is the websites and app tracking. There, what AI does is uses tracking pixels and SDKs for to log customer interactions automatically, like viewed products, added to cart, and integrates with analytics platform like Google Analytics or Mixpanel to feed data into your CRM or data warehouse. So that's what happens in integration of the data capture done automatically. Second thing that AI does, you can do is you can use AI for NLP, natural language processing. AI can analyze emails, chats, and call transcripts to identify, key details like sentiments, topics discussed, actions promised, right? And can automatically tag or categorize interactions in your CRM, saving time and keeping records updated. Now, let's take a look at an example of that. You talk about, let's schedule a demo next week, right? And AI will respond. AI will log a follow-up task with the recommended date. So that's how the NLP gets used. Then you can connect systems with middleware. You can use automation platforms like Zapier, Make, formerly Integromat, or Workato to do a couple of things. Like you can sync CRM with marketing automation, billing and support tools, and trigger record updates automatically when a lead is replied to an email, when their status changes in CRM, etc., etc. And the result is that all systems stay in sync, reducing errors, right? So that's the wonder of connected systems. Then you can leverage AI for data quality and enrichment. You can use AI-powered enrichment tools like Clearbits, ZoomInfo to fill in the missing data, like company size, LinkedIn profile, job title. Keep records, current as contacts change, jobs or companies, and you can also have AI detect duplicates and merge them automatically. So that's how the leverage of AI for data quality and enrichment can happen. The fifth thing is to implement predictive data entry, which is suggested by AI. Now, many CRMs now offer AI-driven suggestions that propose updates based on context. For example, Salesforce Einstein suggests updating the opportunity stage after the call. HubSpot recommends follow-up tasks based on the recent email exchanges. So that's how the AI suggestions happen and the predictive data entry happens. Then let's take a look at what are the benefits of eliminating manual logging. So there are many benefits. Of course, there is time saving, and that results in focus on selling and serving customers, not data entry. There are fewer errors, which reduce human errors or outdated notes. Then there are more accurate analytics, uh, and that leads to data-driven decisions from up-to-date records. And there is improved AI recommendations. AI needs clean current data to make smart predictions. So these are the benefits of eliminating manual logging. What are the key tools and platforms that you can use to eliminate manual logging and ensure up-to-date records? Let's take a look at few of them. So there is Salesforce Einstein Activity Capture that can auto log emails, calls, calendars, tasks. Also HubSpot CRM that can do logging of emails and calls, AI enrichment. Then there is Gong and Chorus AI that can have call transcriptions and CRM integration. Then there is Clearbit and Zoom Info as we were talking, which can do data enrichment and auto updates. And then Zapier or Make, which can do workflow automation between the systems. So what do we do next? So we will look at another aspect of CRM process automation of workflow orchestration, in which we will talk about how can you have AI trigger follow-ups, alerts, and tasks based on the clearly defined rules. So thank you so much for watching this first CRM process automation lecture in this course, AI for CRM automation. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.